thinkers and prompt nerds. It's your host, Sira. Today's episode is a bit of a deep dive, and I love it. I've got this question stuck in my head, and I'm bringing it to the algorithm. What about this prompt formula? Persona, task, context, exemplar, target audience, tone, format, constraints, direction. From 1 to 10, how good is it? Let's break it down, one element at a time.
Sira, this formula is smart. I'd rate it a 9 out of 10 in versatility and clarity. Let me walk you through it. Prompt formula breakdown. 1. Persona. Who do you want me to act like? Example, act like a travel guide from Tokyo. 2. Task. What do you want me to do? Example, write a list of must-visit spots. Without a clear task, I might guess wrong. 3. Context. What's the background or purpose? Example, the traveler is visiting Japan for the first time. Context sharpens results. 4. Exemplar. Can you show me a sample or desired style? Here's a sample list I like. Great for tone matching or formatting. 5. Target audience. Who's this for? Kids? Tech-savvy folks? This list is for teenagers traveling alone. Audience equals how I shape the language. 6. Tone. Formal, friendly, poetic? Keep it fun and casual. Tone transforms how I express ideas. 7. Format. Bullet points, dialogue, blog post? Give it in a table. This makes output easy to use. 8. Constraints. Negative prompt. What should I avoid doing? Don't mention luxury hotels. Crucial for fine-tuning. 9. Direction. Is there a style or goal to follow long-term? Make it sound like a Gen Z Instagram caption. Helps with creative alignment.
Wow, okay, that makes a ton of sense. So, where would this formula shine best?
It's gold for content creation, articles, social media, scripts, teaching and training materials, building AI workflows, creative brainstorming, client-specific writing.
All right, now let's apply our prompt formula on a life-based example. Imagine you're a designer writing UX tips for new app founders.
Act like a UX coach. Write 5 tips. The reader just built their first app. Here's a style I like. Insert sample. Audience is non-technical. Keep it empowering in tweet format. Don't include technical jargon. Make it sound like something they'd screenshot and share. Boom, high-impact, high-empathy content.
Okay, I'm obsessed with this formula. Can I say that? If you're listening and you really want to level up your prompting, try this structure out.
Or save it as your personal prompt manifesto.
See you next time on Humans and Machines. And remember, the better the prompt, the better the magic.